Morning, Kasturians. We have started chapter number 13. Now, our next topic is Pulse Polio Program. So, let's begin. What is polio? Polio is an infectious disease. It is caused by poliovirus and it causes muscle weakness, due to which a person is unable to move. The weakness is most often seen in legs but less common in head, neck, and diaphragm, due to which a person is unable to move. That is why poliovirus mostly affect in the bottom body. There is no symptoms of poliovirus is seen, but in 70% of the cases, those who are affected by polio, but in 25% of the people show some minor symptoms, and these are headache, neck stiffness, and pains in arm and legs. And polio is caused by the virus. The name of the virus is poliovirus. Now the spread of poliovirus. The spread of poliovirus is from person to person through the fecal method. That means from the excreta, poliovirus is spread, and when the fecal matter enters the mouth. It also spread from contaminated water, having contaminated fecal, and less common method of infection is saliva. And this infection can be infecting a person from up to 1 week to 6 weeks. That means almost up to 2 months, and still a person is unable to see any kind of symptoms. So due to this, regular vaccine is given, and the prevention of polio is done by polio vaccine, and due to which multiple doses of this vaccines are given, 2 drops per month. You have also seen this program. You can see in this picture a child is suffering from polio, and he has a weakness in his lower body. To overcome polio immunization programs are there, which are 2 बूंद जिंदगी के, हर हर महीने 2 बूंद जिंदगी के. Okay, what is in Pulse Polio program? It is established by the government of India to eliminate polio from India. In this, vaccination is given to the children whose age is less than 5 years, because polio virus usually affect small children, and they are given 2 drops per month of this polio vaccine. You can see in this picture, Asha Didi is giving polio vaccine to a child, and the another person is marking the nail of the child, so that the child by mistake don't take the medicine twice in a day or twice in a month. So this is all for polio. Hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you.